Welcome everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create the hand grenade in Dying Light the Beast. Enjoy! So to do it we had to open the inventory and get into the crafting section over here, find the hand grenade, and as you can see, to create a hand grenade we have to collect the 5 scraps, 8 cans and 3 pieces of alcohol. Then we are able to create a hand grenade. To do it we have to hold down the left button of our mouse, and then we have a hand grenade, common throwable. So to equip this grenade we have to get to inventory, choose a gadget, and then choose a slot which we want to use our hand grenade. So now we can throw our grenade by using the middle mouse button. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!